This out of all this whole stuff you see here, this is the one I am super happy about. You know why? Because most amazing things that they gave it to me for free. Guys, you know why I'm
picking up the pieces of a broken heart.
Hi guys, I am so happy and excited because my order from Temu has arrived. Guys, the more amazing thing about this is that I got 2 extra free gifts. He gave me 2 free gifts, okay, to say thank you for choosing us. And guys, let's start with the first item. So guys, I just opened up this pack. So this is the first one. This is actually a yoga mat exercises. I got it for my home exercises, okay, all the little exercises that I want to do. And from what I can see here, it's what I ordered, guys. This is not what I ordered, but it's what I got. Look at the length. It's the length, because I actually check one thing about them. You have to be very careful when choosing. Check the inches, check the cm to know whether it's a toy or a real soft, a real package. So you guys see the length. So it's exactly what I ordered. This is the second one, mosquito net. Okay, this is a mosquito net. After checking the description, everything, I decided to get this. It's a mosquito net. Is a mosquito net that you can just okay, oh my god, guys, look at, you can just hang it. Like, you don't need those, the local mosquito net that you use here. You can just hang it. I got something for it, I'll show you guys. You can just hang it, that stuff, on the wall, and then you put this thing on. Oh my guys, look at, like I wish you guys can see the full length. And I only check the size. I hope it will size my bed before ordering. Okay, I can't wait to test it. It's not hard like that, the former one I do use. This is very soft. I love it. Yeah, it's very soft. 3 is a bathroom rack that sticks on the wall or tiles. You can just stick it on the wall and then use it and put all your stuff. If it's okay, I'm gonna order it again. So this is the stuff that you have to keep on the wall. It's 2 inside, so just place it on the tiles. Okay, I'll read the instruction on how to install this. I think I have to remove the back or so, then stick it and then place this, and then use it and put on my stuff in my bathroom. I like this, guys. I like it. Guys, if you need any of this item and displaying, I'm sure you guys, okay, check the description of this video, okay, use the link and sign up. If you're a first user, they will give you 200 coupon that you can use and shop for free. Okay, use the link in the description of this video to sign up and get the app. And this is number 4, is a selfie light, a selfie stick that you can use. You can actually use it for taking your video shooting. Time of getting a selfie light. I have a bigger tripod. For this small one, I want to see if the length is actually, you have to press. I was getting mad already because I know I checked the length before ordering. I was like, how is this 130 inches? Sorry, 130 cm in length. Look at this. Because I was already considering returning this one. Because I don't need just a selfie light or a table. I have something like that already. I needed something that is long, that is not a big tripod. So guys, look at it. Okay, you can want your phone, just this way to attach your phone. Okay, if you want a landscape or portrait. Okay, it's like this light. I don't know whether it's working or for fancy, but I'm okay now that I figured out how to increase the length. I am okay. If you need it, check the description of this video to have access to it. It fits item that I got. This is it. I got it for the net, the mosquito net. Okay, it sticks to, just like stick it on the wall like this, then I can just put my mosquito net. I can't wait to fix the mosquito net. Going to one. This is a tongue scraper, like more like a tongue brush for scraping your tongue. This is the 8th item. This is a automatic toilet bowl clean item. This is another amazing item I got. This is air fresher. Okay, it's 10 pieces inside. The scent is so amazing. I got lavender scent. This is the first free gift they gave me. These are artificial grass that you can just use and decorate. So this is it. Okay, I can just use it and design. So this is my first free gift, guys. Thank you, Temu. Oh my god, oh my god, should I show you guys this? This is out of all this whole stuff you see here, eh? All this stuff I showed you guys, this is the one I am super extraordinary happy about. You know why? Because I've been longing to get this. I searched in the local market here, they don't have it. What they have is the normal local one, which I have, but it will serve the purpose. The reason why I want to get this, that one will serve. I checked, I showed so many people samples of what I want. They said no. I even make an inquiry if I can get it from Lagos. I couldn't. Okay, I said let me take it online. I checked JG, they don't have it. I checked Jumia. This is two local online app, just like Temu, that I can get stuff here in Nigeria. I couldn't find it, and I searched on Temu and they have it. And the most amazing thing is that they gave it to me for free. Guys, you know why I'm so quite excited about this? Because oh god, it's for you guys, for my tutorials. Oh god, expect, and even came with the stand. It came with the stand that I can just place it on something and work on it. Okay, for people that want to learn how to braid, you can get this. Okay, but me, I'm not using it to braid. I know how to braid. It's for tutorials, for my tutorials, guys. The texture of the hair is so soft. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. The only thing is that the one I saw while picking, the skin, I mean, is lighter than this, but I'm okay with it. I'm okay with it. So Temu gave me this for free for my tutorial. So guys, expect tutorials. Oh my god, expect amazing tutorials. I can use this for. I've been wanting to get this. That is why I don't have any tutorials that this is preventing me from doing, because that one, the local one I have, is not savvy, because that one, the spaces in the score is much, so it won't give me what I want. But this one, oh my god, look at it. Okay, just like human score, like no more space like that. Because very nice. I love it. Even the hair texture. So this is number one thing I'm so excited with. I can't wait to do my first tutorial with this. Expect tutorials, guys. Expect. So this product, please check the description of this video for the links. When you sign up with that link, they're going to give you 300 to 750 coupon that you can use to shop for free. If you want something like this for free or any other thing, once it's free, you are free to choose anything you want for free. So this is what I choose, okay, with the other one. So they will give it to you for free once you sign up with that link. But they will give you, as a new user, you get it, okay, to start making tutorial videos with this. I can't wait. I can't wait. You can see my beautiful hair. I touched my hair myself. I made this style myself. You can do this. I did, okay. I've shared a video on how you can retouch your hair yourself, and a video on how you can do this beautiful, cute style yourself at home. Check the two last videos I uploaded. You will see how I was able to retouch my hair myself at home and do my hair myself. do this amazing style myself. Okay, that's the kind of tutorials I share, and hair tutorial videos, hair vegetation videos, tutorial videos. If anything hair tutorial, just come here, you get it. Okay, and now that this amazing being have added to my household, expect tutorials with this. Okay, please do not forget to support your girl. Do not forget to like, comment, share. If you're yet to join the family, please join. If you want tutorial video, thank you guys, and see you in my next upload.